Welcome to BoomWriter, the collaborative writing platform. After creating your account and logging in, you'll arrive at the Boom Hub dashboard. From here, click on the BoomWriter option to enter the platform. On the dashboard, you'll see your active writes, showcasing ongoing writing projects. If you wish to view completed projects, use the menu at the top of the page and select Completed Writes. To create a new project, go to the Active Writes page, click the plus icon or the Create New button at the bottom of the page. You'll then see a list of your active classes on BoomWriter. Select the class you'd like to start the project with. Note, if you want to run multiple writing projects for different classes, you'll need to repeat this setup process for each class. After selecting a class, you'll land on the Writing Selection menu. For this project, since you're part of the ISP Writers Group, click on the pink banner at the bottom of the page. You'll see 6 story starters. Use the navigation menu on the left to browse through them. Select the starter that best suits your students based on their region and age group. Please reference this table to choose your starter. Once you've picked a story starter, decide how many chapters the class book will have. We recommend 5 chapters, 1 initial chapter provided, and 4 chapters for your students to write. When satisfied, click Select to confirm your story starter and chapter count. Now, it's time to prepare the chapters so your students can access the book and begin writing. Repeat this step for each chapter of the book. Student logins. From this menu, you can access your students' login credentials and print them if necessary. On the Setup page, you can change the chapter title, add guidance for your students. This is a required field. Include a word bank of suggested words for their writing. Once everything is ready, click Start Writing. Your students will now see the story start and can begin working on their BoomWriter platform. Students log in using their school and student code. On the dashboard, students need to click the Write button at the top. Students will see a to-do list of writing projects. Scroll to the story you're working on and click its banner. Students will be taken to Chapter 2 of the story. They can click the Chapter 1 button to read the first chapter. After reading, students can begin writing the next chapter. They should follow your advice and include any keywords you've suggested. On your dashboard, you'll see key information about the writing project, including student progress. Look for the page icon. Submitted. The student has completed their chapter. In progress. The student is working on their chapter. Not started. The student hasn't begun yet. Click the page icon to preview a student's work. From there, you can provide feedback. You can mark a student's work as ineligible to win. This ensures it won't win the chapter, even if it's highly rated. You can also choose to hide a student's work from starcasting, so other students won't see or vote on it. Once all submissions are ready, click End Writing to stop the writing phase. Then click Start Starcasting to begin the voting process on the student dashboards. Students will return to the platform and select the writing project to begin starcasting. They will be presented with anonymous samples of work from the class. Students will read each sample, compare it to the criteria, and assign it a star rating out of 5. This process will repeat several times, with students evaluating different pieces of work. On the teacher dashboard, you will be able to keep tabs on what pieces of work are currently highly rated in the star casting. When you are ready, you can click End Star Casting and you will be shown the leaderboard from the class. You then have the option to reopen the star casting or announce the winner to the class. The students then go back to the project in their dashboard and they will be shown the winner of Chapter 2. At this stage, you will need to set up the next chapter by following the same steps on screen as you did for Chapter 2. This process will repeat for every chapter in your writing project until all your chapters are complete. Thank you for watching this walkthrough for the ISP writing project. For any help and support, please email support@boomhub.app.